All right, guys, so here's the nitty gritty about this stuff. Works great on dyeing the fabric, super happy with the results. There are a couple drawbacks with it. So the odor, it's pretty strong odor. So if you were gonna throw them right in your car, wait a week. It's odorous. The other thing is, yeah, afterwards the seats are crunchy. If you notice at the end, I did go ahead and use a brush to kind of break them in, and that did soften them. And it tells you to kind of brush them out with a stiff bristled brush, and that'll help eliminate it. It's definitely an improvement, and super happy with the results as far as how the seat came out for being 55 years old. All right, so you saw us spraying this on the bottom of our seats, right? And we have rust on there, and you know, we don't have a sandblaster. We don't have a huge budget to take everything apart, sandblast it, powder coat it, whatever. We have to evaluate what we want to pick and choose to get done, and every little bit that we take away, you know, financially, we're going to be dipping into our motor fund, and we want max horsepower. We want it to be a reliable, sporty car. So we decided to go with the Rust Performer. And how do you feel that the Rust Performer turned out? That stuff's also great. Straight up, if you just do the metal by itself, it works great. It looks like it converted it instantly. It looked like there wasn't anything underneath it, and it dried really quick, and it looked like it was a primed, prepped surface. So we were super happy with the way that turned out. So both of these products, guys, if you are, you know, on the fence, 2 thumbs up. I give it my highest rating of solid.
Get one of these.
Solid.
Scale from 1 to 10.
Solid. Feel free to give us a thumbs up, a comment, a like, whatever you guys do, 2020 style, and feel free to subscribe. So we appreciate having you guys, and we will see you on the next one.